Hello guys, welcome to Real Time Hustler channel. Today's video I will be showing you guys on how to install Metamask on Android. Like if you want to install Metamask as an app in your Android phone, it's very simple. Go to your Google Play Store or Apple Store depending on the one you are using. Then click on search button. Then search for Metamask. Click on search. Metamask blockchain wallet. Very simple. Okay, then click on install. Click on install and wait for it to be installed. Okay, I've successfully installed Metamask blockchain wallet in my Android phone. Then click on open. Click on get started. Okay, at this stage, if you've been using Metamask before, you can just import your secret phrase by clicking import using secret phrase, or you can just create a new wallet from here. It's very simple. Okay guys, thanks for watching. Please do like, comment and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.